Welcome back, everyone. In the last video I pulled the shock out of this XR200R and I pulled the linkage out of the swing arm, and now I have a brand new Hagen shock and I'm going to clean up the linkage and put it all back together. I bought this shock from Hagen in the UK and I think it was 300 bucks, and it came in, I don't know, 5 days, which is crazy. I gave them my weight, my riding style, and they said they set it up for me. So I'm going to put it together and hopefully it goes together smoothly. First I got to clean everything up. This is the old linkage. It's from an 87 XR250. It's all aluminum instead of the XR200 steel, so it's a lot lighter. But I'm going to clean it up and put the new bushings in it because there was a lot of slop. I have all the parts and they're all clean. I'm going to assemble them and grease everything. I have this really nice red and tacky grease. I got new bushings from Honda. You can see how old, gross, and shitty these are. Alright, there we go. That thing is good and greased. Pop these oil seals back on. We can start with this side. There we go. You can see the grease come out. The old ones are just pitted and rusty and crap. I just fill them up until they ooze. Alright, now we can assemble the rear end. Alright, that's in. Okay. Now that the top's in, we can do the bottom. Alright, I'm going to wait to tighten this until I get the bottom. Now I just got to get the dog bone on the bottom. Like that. There's one. And there's the other. Okay. Okay. Tighten this guy up just a little more. Alright. Let me put this 19 on. Okay. This is so much more snug than before. The last one is the upper shock bolt. Alright. I'm going to put the rear tire back on real quick. Okay. Alright. I like that. Okay, wheels are centered. Crank this bad boy down. Alright. That's perfect. I got the shock bolted in, and I still need to put in the air box and all that, but it is way better. I just wanted to show you guys. Just check this out. I'll make a riding video with this shock, but for now I'm totally satisfied. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe.